AI won't replace you, but people who are using AI better than you, they definitely are gonna replace you. So what's the difference between a coach who is earning $3,000 per month versus a coach who is earning $15,000 per month? The difference is the use of AI. Now, AI has become a part of our lives. Like you cannot live without mobile, you cannot live without internet, you cannot live without the smartphones, right? Similarly, you cannot grow your business without the proper use of AI. Now, AI itself is evolving, but yes, there are multiple parameters to it where you can learn and use it for your betterment, for the better outcome which you can give it to your clients, for better automation of your own work. There are so many things. So when people ask me, is AI gonna replace humans? I say definitely not. But humans who are more equipped with the AI tools and technologies, they are definitely gonna replace you. That's the whole lot of a difference. And there are a lot of things. I'm not an expert in AI, but I do use AI. And it's so simple to use provided you understand how this logic works. AI works on giving simple commands, right? Now the command has to be specific. You need to train your AI tool, whatever tool you're using, so that it gives the best outcome. You can iterate it all the time. If one outcome is not, let's say, suitable to you, you can again refine your prompt, refine your command so that get a better outcome. That's it. So when somebody is asking and somebody is telling that, okay, we are not able to do things better, now those people are the people who are still doing the orthodox way of business. You need to understand that times are changing, times have changed, and you need to change accordingly. If you don't change, time will literally drop you. So you have to keep pace with your time, correct? And this young generation who is highly tech savvy, I would say, even though they are not tech savvy, they are using mobile phones, internet to a better and a larger extent than the older generations. So what you have to do is, the young population, since they are using it more frequently, you need to understand how you're gonna talk to them in their languages. Again, if you are not able to do it, take help of AI, create something, learn something, and do it. The only point which I wanted to tell you is AI is gonna be changing the entire lives of us as humans in different aspects of our lives and businesses. Now, if you are not using it properly, you are leaving money on the table. You are literally degrading yourself. You are leaving behind the legacy which you could. So start learning at least the basics of AI and start using AI to the best so that you are there in the race. Else, remember, you're left behind. Thank you.